Hi, welcome to Telugu One Food. I'm your host Chef Savio Pereira and today we'll be making a different kind of soup. It's carrot and coriander. This soup is very healthy and it is very beneficial if you have it during the winter time. So let's start making a soup. For the soup, we have some roughly cut carrots, we have some vegetable stock, we have some roughly cut onions, we have some garlic cloves, we have some salt, we have pepper, we have some refined oil, roughly cut coriander and some coriander powder here. If you wish to flavor your vegetable stock, you can also add some coriander stem while making the stock. Heat your pan. Once it's medium hot, add some refined oil to it, around 2 tablespoons. Then we have one small onion, roughly cut. Then we'll add around 4 to 5 cloves of garlic. Now saute this well for around 1 to 2 minutes till you get a nice aroma of the garlic and onion. Our onions are nice and soft now. Now we'll add around a teaspoon of ground coriander powder to it. Just give it a quick stir. Now we'll add our roughly cut carrots to it. Mix it well. Once you get the nice aroma of the coriander powder cooking, we can now add the vegetable stock to it. Add around 2 ladles of vegetable stock to it at the beginning. Now you can add some more vegetable stock to it till the stock covers your carrot. We'll allow our soup to come to a boil and then we'll simmer it for around 15 to 20 minutes till the carrots are thoroughly cooked. Our carrot soup is nice and boiling. Now we'll just turn it down to simmer and we'll cook it more for like 20 minutes so that the carrot become tender. Our carrots are now soft and tender. The best way to check is just take your ladle and try to press it towards the carrot. If you can easily cut it out, means your carrots are cooked through. Now we'll just take it off the flame and let it cool down for some time, for around 10 to 15 minutes. Just turn off the flame and you can just remove the carrot soup into a bowl. So our carrot soup mixture is cooled and ready now. Now we'll blend it using a blender. Add this mixture to the blender. Some salt, some pepper and few coriander sprigs. Now we'll blend this into a very fine puree. Our soup is nicely blended. As you can see, it is very fine. This is the consistency that we require for the soup. So now our carrot puree is ready. Now time to finish the soup. We'll put the carrot puree into the pan. Now we'll add some stock to it so that your soup, which is very thick, you can adjust the consistency with the stock. Now mix this well. Now you can see we have no lumps into the soup. So this way your soup should be very smooth in consistency. If you still find any lumps or something like that, Make sure you can pass it through a fine strainer to get the desired consistency. Now we'll just adjust the seasoning with some crushed pepper and some salt. Once you add the stock to your carrot puree, always check if your seasoning is correct. If not, you can add the salt and pepper similarly like I have added. Now we'll allow the soup to get to a boil and then we can take it out. Our soup is ready now. Now we'll plate the soup. The consistency of the soup is supposed to be like this, shouldn't be too thin or too thick. Now we'll garnish the soup with a sprig of coriander. Now our soup is ready to be served.